Good day, my friend. In this video, I'm going to take you through 5 essential reasons why I think this scooter, the Zontes 368E, it's on a different level. Let's get right into it. Reason 1, the backlight design and the turning signal. I love the way Zontes, the company, has actually designed this backlight. That puts this scooter in a different perspective. That's my take on this. Let me turn it on so you can see what I really mean. Now, as you can see right here, the parking lights right engraved in between here, and also to the left side, it's engraved. If you turn the turning signal on, it's not a gimmick. None of these are gimmicks. And most importantly, they are LED. You see that? Right there. Get closer. As you see right here, up close, you see that flashing run. It looks more like an airport runway, you know. Now, if we go to the other side of it, you will also see a similar pattern. Reason 2, the trunk space. Now, if I got a scooter that has a sizable amount of trunk space and underbelly, that I will be able to keep my stuff, the stuff that are essential for me, for traveling, touring, I'm cool with it. I am cool with it. Now, let me pop the seat and you can take a look at the underbelly that I'm talking about. Where is the seat? Right here. Okay. Let's take a look at what is right under. Check what this belly got. One full face, and then one kind of adventure style half face. I can even throw my light in. I can throw my mini tripod. I mean, if I don't want to have 2 helmets, I can take them out, put this helmet right on the handlebar, and then I can put any other things right here, right? Like, it can even take a whole tripod. I can even throw a whole tripod right in the belly. Reason 3, the brake choke or the handle brake choke. Now, this should come across as a basic function for all bikes ranging from 250cc and above. But where you will only find such things are the most expensive high-grade motorcycles or scooters. But there you go, Zontes 368E and also the 368K with the 368G, they got such an awesome feature. You pull right here, and then it goes this way. It chokes. It got levels, like some kind of teeth right here, and you press, it goes off. You press and you pull again, it locks the bike. It locks the bike at a stationary position that if you are on a hill, there's no way you're gonna slide. And that is something awesome. It doesn't go. Look at that angle of elevation right here. You're all the way to the lake, right? But if I leave it, woo, I'm going down. What a lovely view. That's what I'm talking about. Something real good that most bikes ain't having. There we go. Okay, good. Reason 4 is the windshield. As the name says for itself, it shields you from the wind. And the one that we have here on the Zontes 368E is no gimmick. It really works pretty well. Now, it doesn't wobble, it doesn't rattle. There isn't any noise if you are revving like 100 kilometers per hour. You can still, retract, let it go down, let it come up, and it saves you from the aggressiveness of the wind. The button of the windshield is right here, and see how it retracts up. It's not even as noisy as it might cause any distraction. So, it just goes with a humming sound. That kind of sound, and it's kind of that mechanical system. Reason number 5 is the texture or the seat softness. Now, I love the way Zontes have really gone about this seat. Now, since this bike, it's a kind of an urban touring. Let me take it again. Since this bike is more or less for urban cities, it's kind of could be used in the countryside and also for touring. Even on the highways, you might be putting a lot of mileage on this bike, on the scooter, and that means that you're gonna sit for that long. And with that said, you need a kind of seat leather system or whatever thing they use for this. My friend, this is something soft. Let's check it out. See? It has this lumbar system. Get closer and let's take a look. It has this kind of lumbar where if you sit, you can easily slide back. Okay? There aren't any soft plastic or metal that is going to hinder your sliding, because sometimes on the highway, or if you've been touring for a while, you just need to stretch, and then in so doing, you might bring your butt a little bit back where your lumbar, right here, it's quite important. And so, because they've made this really soft, you can easily sit on it and then slide back. Let me try and check it up and see how it's gonna work, like this, and then it can slide back. You see that right here? It can even serve as a massaging something, like a massaging lumbar system. It doesn't massage, but literally that's what I think it does, so sometimes you can even sit here for a couple of seconds and then back. But with the 368K, it's pretty different. It has some kind of indentation here, which is quite hard for you to sit. But you see, this is subjective. This is me. And these are the reasons why I think that this Zontes 368E got my attention. What do you say? Let me know in the comment section and let's talk about that. Let me know any of the reasons that I have outlined here. Drop me a comment. There you go. My first 5 reasons why I think this scooter, it rocks. I'll be coming your way with more on this bike and other bikes. There are a lot more content coming up. And if you don't want to miss out, consider subscribing. Guys, it is free. Just free. Hit on that subscription button right there. Yeah, right there. Go, right now. Hit it. Just hit it right now. And join the family. And let's go. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Cha-cha, cha-cha. Ride safely. Put your eyes on the road. There we go. Cha-cha, cha-cha.